In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the language on Microsoft Copilot. Whether you're new to Microsoft Copilot or simply need to adjust the language settings, this step-by-step guide will make the process straightforward. Let's dive in and get started. First, you'll want to open your web browser and navigate to the Microsoft Copilot website. Think of this site as your starting point, your hub for all things related to the AI companion Microsoft offers. Once you're on the homepage, take a moment to ensure that you're signed into your account. Being logged in will enable you to access and modify your settings. Next, direct your attention to the top right corner of the interface, where you'll see your user profile icon. This section is the gateway to all your personal settings. Clicking on your profile will expand a menu with various options. Here, you might find yourself amidst a few choices like account settings, support, and personalization options. What you're searching for specifically is the settings option that contains the language preferences. Once you click into your profile, you should see several tabs or menu items. Among these is one labeled Language. Selecting this will bring you to a page where all available languages are listed. This list can often be extensive, especially on platforms like Microsoft Copilot that cater to a global audience. Depending on your geographical location, some language options might appear more prominently. In any case, you'll want to scroll through or search for your desired language. Selecting a language is straightforward. Once you find the language you'd like to switch to, simply click on it. Typically, you'll notice an immediate change, though some updates might require refreshing your browser or logging back in to take full effect. This switch means the interface, menus, and any on-screen instructions will now display in the language of your choice, allowing for a more personalized experience. Remember, if you ever need to change the language again, you can repeat these steps. It's a flexible setup designed to adapt to personal or professional needs, particularly useful for multilingual users or those interacting with international teams. As a final tip, if you're part of a shared workspace or use Copilot on shared devices, check with your administrator before making permanent language changes, just to align with any organizational policies or preferences. It's always worth keeping in mind how your settings might affect others who use the same device or account. And there you have it, a simple walkthrough on how to change the language on Microsoft Copilot. With this newfound knowledge, you can easily customize your user experience across Microsoft applications, ensuring that language is never a barrier to productivity or convenience. Happy navigating, and I hope your experience with Microsoft Copilot is now even more seamless.